Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Evaporation Vent Solenoid Replacement, a step-by-step guide. Ever wondered why your car's check engine light is on or why there's a strange clicking noise coming from under the hood? It might be time to look at your evaporation vent solenoid. This small but crucial part of your vehicle's emission control system helps manage the fuel vapors that escape from your gas tank, playing a vital role in keeping your car environmentally friendly. If it's malfunctioning, you might notice issues like rough idling, poor fuel economy, or even that annoying light on your dashboard. Replacing a faulty evaporation vent solenoid isn't just about keeping your car running smoothly, it's also about ensuring you're not contributing to air pollution. In this guide, we'll walk you through the symptoms of a failing solenoid, the replacement process, and tips to make the job easier. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video will help you get your car back to peak performance. Understanding the evaporation vent solenoid. Evaporation vent solenoid plays a crucial role in controlling the release of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister. It assists in reducing harmful emissions and ensuring your engine functions at its best. Let's look deeply into how the evaporation vent solenoid operates and what signs to watch out for if it malfunctions. Function of the evaporation vent solenoid. The evaporation vent solenoid functions as a gatekeeper between the charcoal canister and the engine intake. When your vehicle is running, the solenoid opens and closes strategically, allowing stored fuel vapors in the charcoal canister to be purged into the engine intake for combustion. This process helps prevent harmful emissions from escaping into the environment and optimizes fuel efficiency. Signs of a faulty evaporation vent solenoid. Keeping an eye out for potential issues with the evaporation vent solenoid is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance. If you notice the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard, experience rough idling, or detect fuel odors lingering near your vehicle, these could be indicators of a faulty solenoid. Addressing these signs promptly can prevent further damage and ensure your vehicle continues to run smoothly. Diagnosing a failing evaporation vent solenoid. After experiencing issues with your vehicle's evaporation vent solenoid, the first step in resolving the problem is accurately diagnosing the root cause. Two common methods for diagnosing a failing evaporation vent solenoid are utilizing an OBD2 scanner and conducting a visual inspection. Both these procedures are essential in pinpointing the exact issue to ensure timely and effective repairs. Using an OBD2 scanner. Connecting an OBD2 scanner is a straightforward process that can provide invaluable insights into the status of your evaporation vent solenoid. Begin by locating the vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found beneath the dashboard. Once connected, the scanner will retrieve error codes specific to the evaporation vent solenoid, such as P0446 or P0455. These codes indicate potential malfunctions like leaks, vent valve issues, or electrical faults, aiding in the identification of the precise problem affecting the solenoid. Visual inspection. Performing a visual inspection is crucial for detecting physical signs of damage or deterioration in the evaporation vent solenoid. Start by examining the solenoid for any visible wear, cracks, or corrosion, which can impede its functionality. Check for loose connections or disconnected wires that could disrupt the solenoid's operation. Additionally, inspect the surrounding area for moisture, as water ingress can compromise the solenoid's performance. By scrutinizing the physical condition of the evaporation vent solenoid, you can identify maintenance issues early on and prevent further damage to your vehicle's emission system. By combining the data retrieved from an OBD2 scanner with a thorough visual inspection, you can effectively diagnose a failing evaporation vent solenoid and take the necessary steps to address the issue promptly. Remember, swift identification and resolution of solenoid problems can prevent more severe complications down the road, ensuring your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. Replacing the evaporation vent solenoid. After identifying the issue with your vehicle's evaporation vent solenoid, the next step involves safely replacing it with a new component. Following safety precautions and guidelines is crucial to ensure a smooth and effective replacement process. Locating the solenoid. The evaporation vent solenoid is typically located near the charcoal canister in most vehicles. To find it, you need to access the rear of the vehicle near the fuel tank. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective gear such as gloves and eyewear. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool before starting the replacement process. Removing the old solenoid. To begin removing the old evaporation vent solenoid, start by disconnecting the electrical connector attached to it. Carefully handle any fuel vapor lines connected to the solenoid and be cautious of any residual fuel vapors. Gently remove the old solenoid, taking note of its position and orientation for the installation of the new component. Properly dispose of the old solenoid according to local regulations. Installing the new solenoid. When installing the replacement evaporation vent solenoid, ensure it is aligned correctly with the mounting bracket. Securely attach any fuel vapor lines and reconnect the electrical connector. Double-check all connections to guarantee a tight fit and prevent any potential leaks. Once the new solenoid is securely in place, clear any error codes that may have been triggered by the previous faulty component. By following these steps diligently and with attention to detail, you can successfully replace the evaporation vent solenoid in your vehicle, restoring its optimal function and efficiency. Remember, if you encounter any challenges during the process, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to ensure the job is done right. Testing and verifying the replacement. After replacing the evaporation vent solenoid, it is crucial to perform thorough testing to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Testing and verifying the replacement involves various steps and system checks to guarantee optimal performance without any errors. Performing system checks. To begin the testing process, start by conducting detailed system checks. This involves clearing any error codes that may have been present before the replacement. Utilize diagnostic tools to run comprehensive tests on the system to identify any underlying issues that could affect the functionality of the new solenoid. Once error codes are cleared and diagnostics are completed, the next step is to verify that the new evaporation vent solenoid operates as expected. This includes checking for proper connections, ensuring the solenoid is securely in place, and confirming that it functions correctly during operation. By performing these system checks diligently, you can confirm that the replacement evaporation vent solenoid is working effectively, without any errors or malfunctions. This step is vital in ensuring the proper functionality of the system and preventing potential issues down the line. Tips for maintenance and longevity. Ensuring the longevity and efficient performance of your evaporation vent solenoid requires regular maintenance and proper care. Let's delve into some practical tips to help you maintain and extend the lifespan of this crucial component in your vehicle. Regular inspection and cleaning. Regular inspection and cleaning of the evaporation vent solenoid are essential to prevent any potential buildup or blockages that could lead to malfunctions. Make it a habit to visually inspect the solenoid for any signs of dirt, debris, or damage. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean the exterior of the solenoid and remove any accumulated dust or grime. Additionally, check the surrounding areas for any leaks or corrosion that may affect the solenoid's performance. Using high-quality replacement parts. When it comes to replacing parts of your vehicle, including the evaporation vent solenoid, always opt for genuine or high-quality replacement parts. Using inferior or incompatible parts can compromise the solenoid's functionality and longevity, leading to costly repairs in the future. Genuine parts are specifically designed to fit and function correctly, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your evaporation vent solenoid. By incorporating these maintenance tips into your routine, you can enhance the lifespan and efficiency of your evaporation vent solenoid, ultimately saving you time and money on repairs and replacements in the long run. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. A well-functioning evaporation vent solenoid is vital for your vehicle's health and efficiency. It plays a key role in controlling emissions and keeping your engine running smoothly. Ignoring issues with the solenoid can lead to bigger problems down the road, including higher emissions and reduced fuel economy. Address solenoid issues promptly. Regular checks and timely replacements not only comply with emission standards but also save you from costly repairs later. Make sure your vehicle performs at its best by maintaining this crucial component. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.